Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get colored names in Stumbled Guy fast. This will be a quick and easy tutorial, so follow along. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. First things first, click on your profile on the top left, click on the pencil icon as you usually do, and then here to just go ahead and type in any color that you want. Basically this is an HTML code color, then this is a purple one. So it's on the first one, make sure to put less than, and on the end greater than. So basically on the numbers, put it all with the hashtag first and then greater than on the last, and while you type it will change into the color that you chose. Let me go ahead and type in name right over here, and as you can see, name is on the color. Now to choose your colors, go ahead and go to htmlcolors.colorcodes.com, and then go ahead and mess around with all the colors right over here. As you can see, with all the numbers right over here, you can go ahead and click on it or follow along the code numbers. Click on it, go back to the game, do the same method that we did with the with less than hashtag and then the code number, and then go ahead and close it out with a greater than. Go ahead and type in the name with the color. As you can see, it changed with pink. So basically that is all for this video. Just a quick heads up though before we end. It only works for older versions and it only works for PC. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, please leave a like on this video, subscribe, and have a great rest of your day. Peace.